Was driving and it was such a nice day out, and I'm almost to San Diego, but look at this, people. It's pretty fucking amazing. I love California. There's some squirrels running around. Anyways, I'm gonna get back on the road, but I just wanted to leave you with this view. It's fucking beautiful. Beautiful ocean. I love the ocean. Sweet. Alrighty, well, back on the road again. Hope everybody's having a good Friday and is gonna have a good weekend. I'm gonna go home and relax and make some turkey burgers and go to work tomorrow. Anyways, I'll when I get back home. Okay, peace.